Hi everyone, thank you for joining in this short video. I'd like to speak about a group cleanse that I'm hosting June 16th to June 18th. This is a 3-day, somewhat accelerated cleansing protocol that will end with a liver and gallbladder flush. So before getting into the details of this, I want to invite you, if you are hearing the call to do a cleanse, to cleanse your body, to clean your body, you don't really know what to do, this may be the right undertaking for you at this time. So our body is a series of filters. We have kidney, liver, skin, lung, and the filters get clogged up over time through living in a toxic world. We have chemicals in the air, in the water, in the soil. We have 70,000 man-made chemicals in a variety of cosmetics and appliances and upholstery, as well as car exhaust, and just a variety of chemicals that are circulating in our environment. So the further we live from nature, the more exposure we have to chemicals. Therefore, the more of an urban environment you live in, the more crucial cleansing and detoxification is. Yet even living in a pristine country climate, it is still very, very important to clean out the body. Just like a home or a vehicle, if we don't continue to clean and reorganize the space, it turns into clutter and a mess. And that's the same in the body. If we don't clean out the body regularly and allow it to reorganize itself, it gets full of mucus and pus and debris and toxins, and it just inhibits the entire energy system, the soul, the spirit to be happy and content in the body. It makes the mind very foggy and unclear, and it has all these cascading effects where over time it leads to accelerated aging and deterioration of the body and the mind. Cleansing and detoxification is crucial in this world, crucial in the modern world, for we have such a high exposure to chemicals, and some of these are actually passed on from our parents. Chemicals that they were exposed to that we got through utero, carried through us throughout life, and until we do deep detoxification work, that stuff stays with us, and it prevents our fullest genetic expression from actualizing in this moment in time. Now I want to speak specifically about this cleanse that I'm organizing. This will be my 3rd year of doing this. I've been studying, practicing, and facilitating cleanses for about 5 years now, studying health, holistic health for about 12. And I've currently done 15 liver and gallbladder flushes and a variety of other detox protocols, studied with some amazing masters and teachers, so I have quite a bit of experience, and I'm very confident in the protocol that I'm offering and how to adapt that to people's needs. Now, this 3-day cleanse, the goal of this cleanse is to do an accelerated at-home cleansing protocol that's going to really free you up and give you that energy to carry you through the summer, to open up your body, to bring in the light for the summer solstice, and to relieve the liver of some of that impact from life. So really, this cleanse is focusing on liver and intestines, but through the living foods in the cleanse, we're also going to work on the lymphatic system, the tissues, the cells as well. But specifically, we're going to be cleaning the liver and the intestines, which hold a lot of debris and emotion and toxins. So when the liver and the intestines get clogged, it really restricts the flow of energy, the flow of waste, absorption and removal of food stuff. The liver filters the blood every 6 minutes, so the dirtier the liver is, the dirtier the blood is. Blood is chi and energy, and also that blood is going to every cell and organ of the body. So until you clean the liver, which is the main filter of the body, you're circulating toxins and dirty blood. So it's crucial to clean the liver. It's likened to cleaning an oil filter in your car, which you want to do every 5,000 miles or so every time you change the oil, right? So I liken the liver and gallbladder flush to changing the oil. And the intestines are very important as well, because after winter we generally accumulate a good amount of food stuff and backup waste in our intestines, and over time that restricts a lot of movement, of flow, chi, energy, hormones even, to move up and down through our body. We get backed up, we get stuck, and we begin to hold emotions in our intestines. And that just backs up the entire being. And they say the gut is the second brain. Well, it's true. When the gut is impacted, the brain is impacted. So you don't really know how clear you can be mentally until you do some deep detoxification. The goal of this cleanse is to offer an accelerated and effective at-home cleanse that everyone can do from their own home without drastically changing their life. My intention is to create long-term, profound in-person cleanses, which are 7 to 8 day commitments. But at the moment, this 3-day cleanse is a shortened, still very effective at-home cleanse that one can do while managing their life. For most of the 3 days, you can still work and exercise and go out and run errands if you wish. You don't have to really change your life drastically, which is the intention behind this cleanse. It's to make it adaptable to your lifestyle, because I know we all have lots of things that we're doing in this time and space and place. So this cleanse will be 3 days. We'll have some preparatory recommendations up to those 3 days that are not mandatory but preparatory. And for those 3 days, it'll be a specific eating protocol with lots of living food and liquid, certain supplements to begin to soften these gallstones. So when we do the liver flush, the gallstones come out easily and effortlessly. So it's going to be 2 days of specific eating and supplements, followed by a liver and gallbladder flush the night of the second into the third day, culminating on the third day with probably 5 pounds of feces lighter and possibly 100 to 300 small gallstones evacuated out of your liver. Now, if anybody hasn't done liver and gallbladder flush, I want to say it is absolutely life-changing, especially emotionally. Helps the body relieve of old emotions, deep emotions within the liver. They say the liver houses the soul in the evening, and in the daytime, the soul is in the heart. So the liver is a super important organ. It's housing the soul and the spirit, and it performs over 500 functions in the body, including purification of the blood, production and recycling of hormones. It's the master director that's telling the body where to put hormones, where to put bile, what nutrients to absorb, what nutrients to recycle. Assists in digestion. It assists the pancreas and the spleen in digestive processes, so anybody with weak or impacted digestive issues can really benefit from cleaning out the liver. And the intestines are, part of the site that reuptakes some of the fluids and minerals and electrolytes of the body, but also disposes of the waste. So by cleaning out the intestines, you're cleaning out the main storehouse of metabolic waste in the body, which can be very liberating, very, very, very liberating. For we don't know how much energy can be flowing through our body until we begin to clean things out. We don't know how beautiful we can organize a home until we really clean it out. So deep cleaning is the way. This cleanse is going to be right before the summer solstice, so the intention is to have a crystal clear body for the height of the solar energy to flow through your vessel on the summer solstice and into the summer. Epic cleanse, 3 days, effective, efficient, from your own home. We're gonna have Zoom calls every day for support and intention setting. You're gonna get a private call with me to assess your specific condition, situation, and what you wanna work on through the cleanse. If there's other things to consider in your health, I can coach you through that, and we can adapt the cleanse for your specific needs. You're gonna get a schedule and a menu. So basically what to eat, when to eat. You don't have to follow it word for word, but it's a great template to go forward on this cleanse, and also some recommendations to follow before and after. You'll get a good amount of education about detoxification and nutrition, and you're gonna get guidance and accountability in this group. So the intention is for 13 people to join total. Even though we're not in person, we're still connected through the field. We're still connected and we're still doing the work together, and that creates a synergistic effect, moving it together. So thanks for watching this video. Would love to see you in this journey together, and look forward to seeing you all through this process and this transformation. Thank you.